Hello everybody, it's me, Sarah B, and I am here to open up a box from Dia and Company. My first box was amazing, and I felt compelled to keep all of it. It is now the holiday season, where I'm supposed to be spending money on other people, so we shall see how much self-restraint I have today. Dia and Company is a fashion brand that caters to people my size, which I'm very grateful for. I'll have the full description in the description for this video below, but I think it's sizes 12 to 36, I want to say. The box is $20. To get it sent to you is the $20 styling fee. Anything you keep, that $20 gets credited towards. I'll have a referral link in the description below too, in case you are interested in trying Dia and Company for yourself. I have been so wonderfully overwhelmed by everything about my boxes from them so far. So here's hoping I get wonderfully overwhelmed again. Here is my invoice and stylist tips and tricks. Here we go. I'm not going to look at that yet. My bag to mail things back in that I do not want to keep. I think you have 3 days? 5 days. I'm misremembering. I get so many now. Oh my gosh, this box is really big compared to my last box. And look at my bundle. Can you see that? I'm really excited about this. No idea what it is yet. So my second box, this is my third. My second box, the film never went to air because my sweet baby child was making too many cameos in it, and it was like impossible to edit so that it would be like appropriate for the TV and for you lovely viewers. My first box was amazing. My second box was really good. So I'm expecting I'm hoping for another amazing box. And look at this. Oh, it's like they know me. A 3/4 sleeve cardigan, which I can always use, which I always love. It's like the most wonderful, comfy thing ever. This is from, I didn't even look at the brand. This is from East Adeline. Really nice. It's kind of sheer now that I'm holding it up to the light, so it's not like super warm. My camera is all over the place, guys. I'm really sorry. But like a perfect layering option. The second piece, Molly and Isadora. I have a dress from Molly and Isadora that I got from a thredUP box that I love. This is really cute, and it has like the elasticy sleeves. I was like staying away from dark greens for a while. I was looking for brighter tones, but maybe I can sneak some back in. I really love the shape of this. I'm not as awed by the color, but I love the shape. But I guess like it's that time of year, right? Dark tones. Oh my gosh. It's a pair of pants, a pair of jeans by Prescott, New York. I can't tell. No, they're pants. They're like dress pants. They kind of have a jean feel to them, like a jean look to them. My light is, as usual, for garbage, but they're really stretchy. All right. And they don't even have like a button or zip fly closure. It's just all stretch. That's so much. I can't tell you how many shirts I've ruined because of the zippers. Right? You get little holes in the bottoms of your shirt because the zipper catches. Pain in the butt. What is this? It's a dress! You guys! It is a dress. This is going to be really expensive. City Chic. Vintage Spot. Oh my gosh. You guys. This is going to be way more than I can afford, but I'm going to feel compelled to keep it. I'm sorry, my nose is really itchy today. Okay, and then the last piece is a jean. A jean. Listen to me talk like I know what I'm talking about. But they seem a little short. Molly and Isadora again. A slim boot. Oh, that's that. Okay. All my jeans are like super dark wash. So these are like not super stretchy still. Okay, I'm gonna get changed. I'll be right back. So the jeans are fine. I'm not in love with them. Do you know why? Because I got a pair of skinny jeans the other week, at this point, and I'm really loving the skinny jeans. So I'm not 100% on these jeans. They fit beautifully. Like, they're super comfy, but I'm just not sure. The color is a little light for me. Oh, there are the pockets. And the shape is, like, not quite what I like it to be. The shirt is super comfy, cozy, amazing. It's, like, the right length here. It's the right length here. I can, like, do my Heidi hand thing in the sleeves, and the elastic keeps them there, and I love it. The shirt is super comfy. I'm not totally over the moon about the color, just because I would like more bright colors in my wardrobe, but it's also, like, we're headed into winter, and, like, winter dark colors, I get that too. I'm going to try on the other pair of pants now, and see how the cardigan works with this. The pants are super comfortable. There could be, like, I mean, not quite yoga pants. They're dress pants, for sure. They're, like, nice work pants, but super comfy regardless. They're, like, my inseam is a little bit off in them, so that's, like, a little bit awkward, but nothing that's, like, majorly distracting. I'm glad I tried the cardigan on standing up so that I could see that's, like, ruffly. Oh, in fact, it has a tie. Oh, my goodness. You guys. See all the things I pay attention to later? So that's nice. I don't love the ruffles, but I love a cardigan. So we'll see. I mean, it doesn't really work with the green, but that's okay. I'm just excited about trying the dress on. Yay! And the dress! It's really comfy. It's really lovely, and I'm just dreaming of, like, someplace to wear it too. It has, like, almost a full circle skirt. I mean, it's at least a half circle skirt, which makes it really flowy and swooshy and nice. It fits beautifully around the bust, and the belt is, like, super stretchy. I normally don't like belts because they just feel like you can't move in them, but this is definitely not the case with this one. It is my favorite, and I love it. Yay! All right, now it's time to figure out how everything works out budget-wise. So now let's see what my stylist said and how everything works out with cost. Yes, 5 days. 5 days to try things on. Okay. So, Amber, my stylist, in the last box, the sweater was too short, so I went for a tunic top. Yay, tunic tops. The rich green tunic top is such a great winter color. Wear it under the classic black cardigan to winterize it with the Greenwich jeans for a play look, or the trousers for a more dressy business look. The Lyra dress is a great holiday dress and is super flattering. Wear it under the black cardigan. I know red isn't your color, but I have to be honest, red shoes would look amazing with this dress. Fair. Totally fair, Amber. If you're not into heels, wear red flats and some red lipstick. By the way, our team stumbled upon your YouTube video of Dia, and it was adorable. Keep them coming. Oh, yay! That's hilarious. Well, hello, Dia. People, and Amber specifically, thank you for all the wonderful styling. It makes me very happy. And the personal notes are really lovely too. All right, let's see how this all comes down. So, the long sleeve pleated tunic in olive green from Molly and Isadora is $55. The charity ruffle front cardigan is $40. The Lyra belted fit and flare dress is $89, which is about what I was expecting for that. It's a really nice dress, and that's about right. The Greenwich boot cut jean is only $65, which is a really good price for jeans in my size. It fits so nicely. And the Coventry straight leg trouser is $69. Which again is a really, really good price for what it is. Oh, sorry, there's just cookie on there. Okay, so the merchandise total is $318 minus the styling fee. If I were to keep everything, you would subtract another $80. So between the styling fee and keeping everything, it takes $100 off the total bill, which is crazy. So to keep everything as is right now is only $218.50. It's freaking amazing. Okay, but guys, I have to be really realistic and not just spend $200 on myself in clothes right before the holidays when I'm supposed to be spending on other people. So I need to make some choices. I love the jeans. Like, I love the fit. I don't like the waist fit. I don't love that they're not skinny, and I'm not super fan of the color, but maybe the work pants I can always use and fit really well. And there's a great price for what they are, but I am in love with the dress. And can I justify spending $100 on a dress that I don't necessarily have a thing to wear it to yet? Or maybe I just need to convince my husband that it is time to go out on a very elaborate date night so I can wear it with some red heels. I'll figure this out, you guys. Leave me some comments below and let me know what you think I should keep. I have a lot of pondering to do, a lot of budgetizing. Is that a word? Budgeting? It's just budgeting, isn't it? I'm going to go have some more coffee. Thank you, as always, for joining me. I hope that you are all well and enjoying this festive season. Until next time, bye-bye.